Hey guys, this is Aran again from Apple Online Marketing, and today I recorded this video because I want to share with you a great tool that I found. This is a tool that I'm using for my business, and it helps me manage my time. And as you know, time management is so important in your business. It will actually help you accomplish more and be more efficient. And I think it's a key factor in your business. It's a key factor for you to be successful online. So with this tool, I will show you how to actually create your task, create a set of tasks for a day, and how to break them into small units, because you need to do that. Because if you take big tasks, at a time, you get overwhelmed and you get discouraged, and you will not accomplish them as well as you do if you break them into small units. And of course, you need to prioritize. You probably understand that, because it's very important to prioritize tasks and have them in order, in the right order, like what to do first, what can I postpone to the next day, and stuff like that. And how can you delegate? Because in this tool you actually have a collaboration feature that allows you to share tasks with other members of your team. And for example, in my example, I'm promoting builderall, which is a tool for online marketing, all-in-one tool. And I have my own team under me, and sometimes I have too many tasks. I find myself, coping with too many tasks, and I cannot accomplish enough stuff. So I just delegate to other people. You should learn to delegate, because many people actually don't like to delegate to other people. They like to do everything by themselves, and this is a crucial mistake. So learn to delegate. And the two tips that I have for you is you see here, like, plan for socializing. And what I mean by that is you need to make breaks. Okay, it's okay that you work for 10 hours a day or 15 hours a day because you're very excited about your new business, but still you need to have breaks. So it's imperative that you incorporate, or put a task every day for your exercise, or for your meals, or socializing with people. It's very, very important, because you need to live. You need to live, not only work on your business, but live your life. And the second tip is, whenever I finish my day, I finish the day with writing my own tasks for the next day, because at the end of the day, the tasks that I'm working on are very fresh in my mind, and I just put them on paper. Well, this time not on paper, on this tool, but it's very easy for me to plan for the next day. Because if I wake up the next morning, I just don't remember what the hell happened the day before, and I don't remember what I needed to do, if there's a new task that I don't remember or something like that. So it's very important, I think, to set up your tasks for the next day. Remember. And okay, so let's go to my computer, and I'll show you the tool. Okay, I'm back here. So this is the application, the Trello, the tool. It's completely free. Okay, you can just join. No credit card needed, nothing needed. It's not an affiliate link. I'm just trying to share with you a great tool to help you with your business, help you be more successful with your business. So this is we're going to start from the end, okay? Because I'm just going to show you something. In my board, I'm just going to open these tasks, and in this task, I have items like a checklist. Okay, checklist for this training. Like, I'm going to show you how to create a new board, how to create lists and stuff like that. And every time I check one of them, you see the progress. Okay, this is a very, very nice tool. Okay, so let's start with creating a new board. One moment, I'll just move this outside for the list. Okay. Okay, so how do I create a new board? You just go here and create a new board in this link. Create new board. You give it a name. Let's call it Trello Training 1. Okay, and now you decide if you wanna share it with the team, make it public or make it private. So for the sake of this training, we'll make it private. Okay. And no team and private. Create board. Okay, now we have a clean slate. And the way you make a list is just like that. List 1, enter. List 2, enter. Let's say for the next list we'll do tasks for tomorrow. No, tasks for today. To do today. Okay, and the next one will be to do tomorrow. And the next one, maybe let's say ongoing tasks. Okay, and now for every list you can just add a card. The way you add a card, you just click this plus button and you add a card. Let's say I want to do this list, write an email for welcome email. Next one, I want to do like finish funnel on finish test funnel on builderall. Okay, so it's very easy, and it's very convenient because every element here is drag and drop. So let's say I finish this task and I want to do it. Maybe let's make another list. Done tasks. Okay, let's close this. So maybe I finished a task. I'm just gonna drag and drop it to the done list, and that's easy as that. Okay, so now let's see how we add a member to one of the tasks. So I'm clicking one of the tasks, and the way you can add members is here. I'm just looking for a friend, one of my oh no, one moment. You first need to add this member to your board. Okay, so here you do that. You click on this button and you look for your member that is already, let's say, employee Babrak. Okay, that's my friend. That's my he's one of my team members in my builderall team. So I'm sending him an invitation, and he'll get this invitation. And once he will get it in this place. Okay, you see, there's like notification section here. He will get that, and he will just click it and get inside this board. I mean, I will share it with him, and everything he does, I will see like on real time, and everything I do, he will see on real time. So let's say I want to add him to this card. Okay, so now you see here I have myself and I have him here, and here you have the possibility to just collaborate on stuff. Because let's say we're going to write this email together. I need to do like the welcome section, and he needs to do the outro section or something like that. So there's a comment section here. I can just write him stuff. Okay, please change the size of the font, whatever. And once I click save, he will automatically see it. Let's say he has this card open in his dashboard, so he will see this automatically. So actually, this is a very great feature. Like, I cannot believe this tool is free. So let's check out the labels. So in the labels section, you can actually make a label for any task that you have, because you can just use it to prioritize, or like to say, like, maybe you have let's say this task is very urgent. So let's create a new label. You select a color. For this color, I will use a red color, and I will call it urgent. Create, and you see it was added. Oh, sorry. Urgent. You save it, and you see it automatically got added to the card, and you see it like that. And if you hover over it, you can see it's an urgent card. So everybody in your team or everybody that you share the board with will know this is an urgent task. Let's go back. As I showed you before, you can just create checklists. Let's call the checklist. Let's say this. Okay, let's make a new task called trip, like a weekend trip. Sorry, weekend trip. Okay, and in this weekend trip, let's say I want to make myself a checklist, not to forget, like stuff to take. So stuff to pack for weekend trip. Okay, and then you can just add camera, lunch bag, I don't know, bicycle. Okay, you get the point. And then after every checklist that you have, if you check it, so you see the progress in this bar. So it's a very cool tool. And let's say you need to share this with I don't know, with someone that you're going to take on this trip, so you can actually work on this task together. So really amazing stuff. You can also add a due date, like with a notification to every task. So it's very useful, and you can actually in this tool you can actually sync this notifications with your iPhone or with your Outlook. So it's very convenient. And also you can add attachments. Let's add an attachment here. Maybe choose this picture. You can attach a picture to the card, and once you close it, you see it looks like that. So it has endless possibilities. Let's go back, and now you also have the ability to add URL, like an attachment, a link. Okay, let's say you guys are working on something together, and there's a list of websites like as sources that you need for your work. So you can just add it here. Okay, attach, and you have this link in your you have this link, and you can attach a picture and stuff. Amazing stuff, really. And of course you can move cards to another list. So maybe let's move it to let's say to my to-do. Let's not do it together. Okay, but you get the point. You can just move it to another board or to another list. I'm going to move it to another list. You see here I have a list 2. I'm going to move it to list 2. Move, and it automatically moved to the next list. And you can just move it by dragging it. Also, you have an option to copy or duplicate this list and use it. And you can actually delete this. I had some problems finding the delete button, but you should understand that delete means archive in this tool, and it takes a little time to delete. So I think it's just for tracking purposes. So that's it. This is like the basic training for this tool. I think you can go and have a look at it. You can go here to this icon and check this out. There's tips here, and there's like tips on everything, and I'll show you. There's like many templates here that you can use for the structure of your board, and how does it look, and how to collaborate with other people, and how to create a team and stuff like that. So you should go check it out. And I really think I wanted to share it with you guys, because I think the this tool can actually help you accomplish more tasks in your business, and it will help you be more successful in your journey to becoming an online marketer. So that's it for now. Thank you. So if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you have any comments, I'll appreciate it if you write me a comment. If you have any questions, if you have any requests, hit the like button if you like this video, and I really hope that you did, and see you in the next one.